I remember years ago when they used to have checkouts.
Yeah.
And they used to have people serve you.
Yeah, now the staff stack shelves.
I absolutely hate self-checkout. We're on our way for a little adventure. We're heading to the supermarket. Fun fact, Hamilton Island has one supermarket and it is an IGA. And you've guessed it, it's extremely expensive. When you're the only supermarket on the island, you can charge whatever you like. We have just arrived at the IGA and I have found a wheelchair accessible car space. Howdy.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Oh, blinded by the light.
Just seen my first police officer. Welcome to IGA. Wow, this is crazy. You can get Queensland longtail bugs cooked, prawns for $48.50 a kilo. You can even get a bachelor's handbag for $12.99. All right, so I've got myself a box so I can get all my shopping groceries in it. It is actually pretty crazy. You can get everything here. You can get cake tins. You can get Tupperware, which actually is pretty reasonably priced. This here is like $8, which is actually not bad, which we're actually gonna need for the picnic anyway. So, and we'll be able to donate it to someone after we leave. And one thing I don't have on my trip is a keep cup. So hopefully I can find a keep cup as a souvenir. God, they're big pieces of cheese. Look at that. Can we get this one here? $2.65. Cool. Good, how are you going? I remember years ago when they used to have checkouts.
Yeah.
And they used to have people serve you.
Yeah, now the staff stack shelves.
That's it, I'm done.
Thank you for shopping at Hamilton IGA.
Wow, I've got all my groceries, I've got all my things ready for my picnic. But I have to say, as a wheelchair user, I absolutely hate self-checkout. I miss the days when you'd be able to give your food to someone, they could scan it, put it in a bag or put it in a basket. But you know what? Those were the good old days. Do you miss registered checkout? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Coming up. Hello. Do you have a ramp? I'm actually quite surprised. There's one massive step right here.
I don't know why there's no red.